Emerald People's Utility District provides power to more than 22,000 homes, schools, churches, and businesses in rural Lane County. To provide reliable power to its customers and support rapidly growing communities in its district, crews work year-round to keep the electric system well-maintained. They upgrade utility equipment when needed and control fast-growing vegetation around power lines. This work, along with the utility's careful planning, ensures an electric system that customers can count on whenever they need it. As a public power utility, EPUD is not for profit and provides power to customers at cost. But what are those costs and how do they get billed to customers? If you are a residential customer, your monthly electric bill lists two separate charges: the electric system charge and the kilowatt-hour usage charge. Together, these charges cover both the fixed costs of running the utility and the variable costs of buying and delivering power. The electric system charge is billed at the same dollar amount each month. It helps recover the utility's costs of maintaining a reliable electric system, including the cost of equipment and line maintenance, tree trimming, outage restoration, property taxes, insurance, customer service. These are fixed costs that must be paid regardless of the amount of electricity used by customers. Recovering a portion of these costs through a flat monthly charge instead of through charges that vary by level of energy use ensures the costs are distributed fairly among all customers. The kilowatt-hour usage charge is the cost of your actual energy consumption for the billing period, measured in kilowatt hours. This charge recovers the utility's cost of buying and delivering power to you.
One of the great things about being a public power utility is that we can focus on keeping our rates low and simple to understand. The two charges that you see on your bill every month represent the actual costs of providing you reliable service, nothing more and nothing less. Some of these costs vary depending on the amount of energy that you use, while other costs are fixed and must be paid regardless of energy usage. At EPUD, we're extremely proud that our rates are among the lowest in the Eugene-Springfield area. Over the past 40 years, we've invested heavily in reliability improvements and technology solutions, both of which help us avoid outages and increase the efficiency of the service that we can offer. We also prioritize energy efficiency programs for our customers, which not only helps us all avoid future rate increases, it also lowers customer bills for those that choose to participate.
EPUD offers a variety of energy efficiency initiatives designed to help you save energy and money and improve your home's comfort. We also have programs for our commercial and industrial customers. To learn more about EPUD's energy efficiency programs, visit www.epud.org/savemoney or contact our energy experts at 541-746-1583 or energyservices@epud.org. Questions about your bill? Our customer service team is here to help. 541-746-1583.